Welcome to VK TutorX. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any concepts or updates. Let us start with the toughest chapter, that is integration. Suppose if x square plus 2ax present. How do we complete this square method? X square plus 2ax. So here one term is missing. What is that? To apply a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, there are three terms. Is x square plus, what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So b square term is missing. What is b here? A. B is nothing but a. We add a square and subtract a square so that value does not change. Now this can be converted into x plus a the whole square minus a square. This is called completing this square method. One more example, I'll take x square plus 8x plus 7. How do we write this? We write x square plus 2 times x into how much I should write this? How much? 4. Plus 7 as it is. What is b here? Now you can easily recognize b. A square plus 2ab. B is how much? 4. 4 square. We add 4 square and subtract 4 square. Plus 7 as it is. Constant. So this is x plus 4 the whole square. Minus 16 plus 7. Minus 9. Can you follow this? So this is called completing this square method. Suppose x square minus 5x plus 6. How do we write this? X square. Actually, usually b will be half of coefficient of x. What is half of coefficient of x? Half of this 4. The 4 square we are adding and subtracting. Similarly, I write this as 2 into x into how much I should get, right, to get 5 by 2x, no, 5x. I want x here, how much I should write here. So now what is b square here? 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 the whole square plus 6 as it is. So this is x minus 5 by 2 because this is a minus b the whole square. So 6 minus 25 by 4. So if you simplify that, this is minus 24 minus 25 minus 1 by 4. Can you follow this? Understood this? This is called completing the square method because we able to convert complete quadratic equation in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Understood. Next we'll pass on to problems. So from now onwards, most of the times we use standard integrals. So please remember that. They won't give this belongs to completing the square method. They won't give type. You should recognize. So numerator 1 is there. Denominator x square minus 6x plus 13. Okay, all of you observe this. So directly you can write, you can be able to write directly. Just consider for your purpose I am writing this. If you are able to write completing the square method directly, you can do it. So here we write x square, we write minus 2 times x into how much I should write? So 3 square minus 3 square plus 13. So this is x minus 3 the whole square. 13 minus 9 is plus 4. The given integral I equals 1 by x minus 3 the whole square plus 2 square. This is of the form 1 by a square plus x square. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. is x square plus 2x plus 2. So this is, how do we write this? X square plus 2 times 1 into x plus 1 square minus 1 square plus 2. Now this can be written as x plus 1 the whole square. So 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So the given integral I equals integral of 1 by x plus 1 the whole square plus 1 square. This is of the form 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Can you follow this? Can you follow this? Next. 7 minus 6x minus x square. This is very fantastic. So observe this. I take minus common. Later on, I multiply it back. So that this is x square plus 6x minus 7. Observe very carefully. I write this as, directly I write up. I add the 3 square and subtract 3 square. When you add 3 square, it is x plus 3 the whole square. When you subtract 3, minus 9 minus 6 minus 16. Now I multiply minus sign inside. Don't keep it as it is. So 16, that is 4 square minus of x plus 3 the whole square. Can you follow this? So now I equals integral of 1 by 4 square minus x plus 3 the whole square into dx. This is 1 by 2a log constant first. Constant first means plus by x minus a plus c. So this is 1 by 8 log 7 plus x by 4 minus 1 minus x plus c. Can you follow this? Now see here, I'll show you the magic. Suppose if it is square, how do we write? How do we write this? 1 by root of x square plus a square log of x plus root of x square. Can you follow this? It is root, it is log of, it is log of x plus root of x square plus a square. So this is 1 by root of a square minus x square, sine inverse of x by a plus c. Understood this? Okay, how do we write this? Three x square plus 13x minus 10. I take 3 common factor. X square plus 13 by 3x minus 10 by 3. Observe very carefully. This is very important. So what is half of 13 by 2? I can write this is 2 times x into, what is half of 13 by 3? Anybody? What is half of 13 by 3? 13 by 6, that's it. But if I write like this, you will tell. If I ask orally, you won't tell. Half of 13 by 3 is 13 by 6. So add 13 by 6 the whole square and subtract 13 by 6 the whole square minus 10 by 3 as it is. So this is 3 times. I can write x plus 13 by 6 the whole square minus, take it out, 169 by 36 plus 10 by 3. What is LCM here? So 3 times x plus 13 by 6 to minus 36 is LCM. 120 plus 169, 289. Can you follow this? So now substitute in the given integral I equals 1 by, this is as it is, into x plus 13 by 6 the whole square minus 289 is 17 square, 17 by 6 the whole square. Now apply 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 3 outside as it is, 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a, this is a, log variable first. If variable first, minus. If constant first, plus. Plus 17 by 6. This 6 gets cancelled 1 by 17. Log of LCM 6 gets cancelled 6x minus 4 by 6x plus 30 plus c. Have you understood? Now observe this. This is also very beautiful sum. 5x square minus 2x. How much we take common? 5 I take common because first term if it is x square, easy to convert in the completing the square method. Minus 2 by 5x. All of you observe this 5 times. What is half of 2 by 5? 1 by 5. 1 by 5. We add that 1 by 5 the whole square and subtract 1 by 5 whole square. So this is 5 times x minus 1 by 5 the whole square as it is. This is as it is 1 by 5 the whole square because nothing is there to add or subtract. So the given integral I equals 1 by 5 times x minus 1 by 5 the whole square minus 1 by 5 the whole square into dx. This is 1 by 5 into, it is of the form 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is 5 gets cancelled 1 by 2 log of, this is, if I take LCM 5x minus 2, if I take LCM this is 5x, that's it, plus c. Can you understand this? See here, I'll put square root here. If I put square root, so this, when I take 3 outside, it is 1 by root 3. Just I take 3 out. Then it is of the form 1 by root of 1 by root of x square minus a square. What is 1 by root of x square minus a square? Shall I apply directly? Log of x plus root of x square minus a square. Can you follow this? Just no need to simplify. Can you follow this? If I put square root, you don't adjust in the notebook. Time save, automatically your time also save. So this is integral of square root of x minus 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square. This is of the form, anybody? 1 by root of, now log of 1 by root of x square minus a square, variable first. Sorry, log of mod x plus root of x square minus a square. Understood this? So integral of 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5. Consider this 9x square plus 6x plus 5. Take 9 common factor. X square 6 by 9x 5 by 9. This is 9 into x square plus 2 threes. I simplify this 2 by 3x. Anybody can tell directly what is half of this? Half of 2 by 3? 1 by 3 the whole square minus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 5 by 9 as it is. So this is 9 times x plus 1 by 3 the whole square. 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9. It is 4 by 9. 5 minus 1 is 4. After taking LCM. Now substitute in the given integral. So 9 into x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 2 by 3 the whole square. It is of the form, take 1 by 9 out, it is of the form 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So 3 ones are 3 threes are 1 by 6 tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. Can you follow this? So next, integration of the type. After this, two more types will be there after this one. One is partial fractions, one is by parts. So linear by quadratic. Linear by quadratic. In these type of problems, always we substitute numerator equals m times d by dx of quadratic equation plus n, where m and n are unknowns. For example, px plus q equals, that means we are expressing numerator in the form of derivative of denominator. What is use of expressing numerator in the form of derivative of denominator? What is the use? What is the use if I get numerator as derivative of denominator? I can easily make substitution. What is the main principle of substitution? Whenever you make substitution, its derivative should be present. If I make denominator equals t, that derivative comes in numerator. So I can easily make substitution. Understood? Whenever you get linear by quadratic or linear by square root of quadratic, you should remember this. Now we'll go with the simple problems, easy problems. The first problem in this, very simple, easy, straightforward problem. Observe this carefully. We write numerator as m into d by dx of differentiation of quadratic equation plus n. That means x numerator is x plus 3. M into d by dx of denominator, that is 5 minus 4x plus x square plus n. What is derivative of denominator? What is derivative of this? Derivative of 5 is 0 minus 4. Derivative of x square is 2x. Now equate coefficient of x as well as constant. Equate coefficient of x as well as constant. What is coefficient of x left side? 1. Coefficient of x right side? 2m after multiplication.
Okay, so 2m.
Multiply inside. Minus 4m plus 2m. This is 2m. Okay. So m equals 1 by 2. Now what about constant? 3 equals minus 4m plus n. So 3 equals minus 4 times 1 by 2. We know that m of plus n. So 3 equals minus 2 plus n. So 3 plus 2 equals 5 equals n. So how do we write numerator? X plus 3 equals m into m is 1 by 2. minus 4 plus 2x plus 5. If you simplify this, no use. You will get back x plus 3 only. You should not simplify. Why? You should not open these brackets. Why? Anybody can tell why? You should not touch these brackets. Why? The reason anybody can tell? Derivative of denominator. So the form will change. Very difficult to integrate. So I equals, I means given integral. Numerator can be written as half into minus 4 plus 2x plus 5 by 5 minus 4x plus x square. Now I split this. I split, but you should not open these brackets. That is important. 1 by 2 into minus 4 plus 2x into dx by 5 minus 4x plus x square. Plus 5 you can take it out. 1 by x square minus 4x plus 5 or 5 minus 4x plus 5. Anyhow you can write. So no need to make substitution directly. We know that 5 minus 4x plus x square. If I take this as t, automatically this becomes dt. So that is minus 4 plus 2x into dx become dt. Even here also, this is completing the square method. How do we write? X square minus 4x, half of this is we add 2 square and subtract 2 square. Can you follow this? X minus 2 whole square plus 1, this is. So I equals, this is of the form 1 by 2 dt by t plus 5 times, this is 1 by x minus 2 whole square plus 1 square into dx. This is integral of 1 by 2. Integral of dt by t is log t plus 5 into 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So this is I equals 1 by 2 log of t is what? 5 minus 4x plus x square plus 5 times tan inverse of x minus 2 plus c. Understood this? Suppose if I put square root, what happens here? This is square root, this is square root, this is square root, this become root t, this is root. So what is integral of root t? 2 root t. Integral of 1 by root t is 2 root t. And this is 1 by root of x square plus a square. What is 1 by root of x square plus a square? 1 by root of x square plus a square log of x. You should learn the formulas very thoroughly, otherwise you will get confused. If formula is wrong, totally you lose. Out of 5 marks, 2 marks you lose it. What is use? So this is half of gets cancelled, will get square root. Understood this? See, I'll show you directly how to write without writing these steps. I'll show you that. Have you copied? How do we write this directly without writing this? Observe carefully. So denominator as it is, what is that? Square root of 5 minus 4x plus x square. Yes or no? Now without calculating this, how can I change the numerator? So I write first derivative of denominator. What is differentiation of this? Minus 4 plus 2x. Without changing the value, I am converting this. Yes or no? If I simplify, this should not change. But at the same time, a derivative of denominator I should get. I want only x. 2x is there. How can I eliminate 2? I divide by 2. So half into 2x is how much? X. So x is calculated. Next, how much constant I want? Question notary. How much constant? So minus 4 into half, how much? Minus 2. But I want plus 2. Minus 2 is there. What should I add to get 5? Sorry, 3. Because plus 3 I want. 5x plus 3 bar. X square plus 4x plus 10. Direct breathing note. Here I write directly. How do we write directly? Integral of denominator is x square plus 4x plus 10. What is derivative of this? 2x plus 4. But I want 5x. I don't want 2x. I want 5x. Without changing the value, I should write. I multiply by 5. I want 5x. 5 by 2. Now how much 2 gets cancelled? 5x will get. What about constant? 5 by 2 times 4? How much? 5 by 2 times 4 means how much? 10 is there. But how much I should get? 3 barbecue. I want minus 7. Understood this? So otherwise, if you want to go this method, you can go 5x plus 3 can be written as m into d by dx of quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 10 plus n. This is 5x plus 3 equals m times 2x plus 4 plus n. Now equate coefficient of x and constant. So coefficient of x is 5 equals, so 2m. So m equals 5 by 2 we got. What about constants? Constants, what about constant? 3 equals. 3 equals 4 times 5 by 2 plus n. So 3 equals 2 ones are 2 2s are 10 plus n. 3 minus 10 equals n. Minus 7 equals n. So how do we write numerator? 5x plus 3 can be written as m into m is 5 by 2 into 2x plus 4 minus 7. Got it? The same numerator? X square plus 4x plus 10. Completing the square method, how much we add? Directly I add this x square plus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square plus 10. This is x plus 2 whole square. 10 minus 4 is 6. So we can write directly this is x plus 2 the whole square plus root 6 the whole square. Can you follow this? This is I equals 5 by 2 log t minus 7 times 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, that is x plus 2 by root 6 plus c. So I equals 5 by 2 log of t is what? Minus 7 by root 6 tan inverse of x plus 2 by root 6 plus c. Understood this? So how do we write this? How do we write numerator? X plus 2 can be written as, so directly I write instead of writing this. Directly I write that the numerator can be written as, numerator is derivative of denominator is 4 minus 2x. But only x is there. I want plus x. How do we write? Minus 1 by 2 times. So 2 gets cancelled, minus into minus plus x I'll get. What about this? 4 into minus half is how much? Minus 2. How much I should add to get plus 2? 4. Understood this? Even if you simplify, you will get that. Minus 2 plus x plus 4 is nothing but x plus 2. You get it? If you want, you can verify. So split this. So how do we write I equals minus 1 by 2 integral of 4 minus 2x by 4x minus x square dx plus 4 times integral of 1 by 4x minus x square into dx. So put 4x minus x square equals t. So this is 4 minus 2x dx equals dt. How do we use completing the square method this side? I take minus is common factor x square minus 4x. Half of this is 2 square minus 2 square. So this is minus of x minus 2 whole square minus 2 square. Now multiply minus sign inside 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square. So I equals integral of minus half integral of this is dt by t plus 4 times integral of 1 by 2 square minus x minus 2 whole square dx. So this is minus half into log t plus 4 times. This is 1 by a square minus x square 1 by 2a log constant first. So it is plus by 2 minus of x minus 2 plus c. Or this is minus half log t is what? 4x minus x square. 4 gets cancelled. Log of 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. X by. So this is 4 minus 2x plus c. Understood this? What about here? What about this sum? Directly I write. Observe this. All of you observe directly I write. This is 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Derivative of denominator is 4x plus 6. 2 into 2 is 4x plus 6. But I want only x. How much? How can we do? How much we multiply? 1 by 4 if I multiply, what happened to constant? This 4 gets cancelled, x we get. So 1 by 4 times 6. How much? What should I add to get to 2? This is 3 by 2 is there. How much I should add? 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 4 by 2, that is 2. So now I split 1 by 4 into 4x plus 6 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 into dx plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5. So this is dt by t form, but here 2x square, completing the square method, I do separately for this. If I take 2 common factor, this is x square plus 3x plus 5 by 2. How do we do completing the square method? 3 by 2 whole square will do it. Plus 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. How much will we get? 2 times x plus 3 by 2 the whole square. X plus 3 by 2 the whole square. 2 is the LCM, 4 is the LCM. This become 10 minus 4, 1 by 4. Can you follow this? I equals 1 by 4 into this is dt by t form and 1 by 2 into integral of this is 2 is common factor. We get x plus 3 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So this is 1 by 4 log t plus 1 by 4 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is 1 by 4 into log t is how much? 2x square plus 6x plus 5. 2 ones are 2 2s are 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2x plus 6 plus c. Can you follow this?